Okay, so let's start creating our AWS account. So navigate to aws.amazon.com and click on create an AWS account. So I will enter my email address and then my password and AWS account name. You will see the name that you want to appear in your account. So I'll do Vishu Kamble and click on continue. I'm doing it for my personal use. You can select professional. It will ask you for a company name and all this information. Let me add this first so I don't forget the password. Full name, phone number, United States. I'll put my address. And city is Chicago, Illinois, and zip code. So Illinois. Click on this. I'm not sure if it would go forward without a phone number, but we can try this out. Okay, so yeah, you need to enter your phone number because that is how let me just put it first. 1743. So that is how it will verify that you are not a bot, like you are an actual person. I think you can use same phone number for multiple accounts, but this is my second phone number, so I'll put that in. And credit card number, so you can put this on because it is not going to charge you until and unless you exceed the free tier. And the thing is, it is very difficult to do it because you get 730 free hours every month. So there are less possibilities of you exceeding it if you select the correct options while creating your instances. And the most I have got billed is like $18, which is when I created a Windows server and I forgot to turn it off. So it was running for like 2 months. But anyway, that is one of the most common problems that you will see when you have instances running and you forget about it. But anyway, let me finish this process. So put the captcha and you will have to click on call me now because this is going to call you.
Phone, please enter the 4-digit. To accept, press 1. To now, press 2. Hello, this is an automated call from Amazon Web Services. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen. We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon Web.
So it worked. Click on continue. I'm going to do the basic plan. Now, click on free. This is like a support plan if you get stuck and you need support. So my role is, you can select student. I'm interested in DevOps, like that's my thing. You can do AI. You can select anything. It does not matter over here. And then it will give you like tutorials based on your DevOps things because I selected DevOps. But anyway, so sign in to the console, and here let me put my new email address and my new password. And this is the main dashboard. One thing about Amazon AWS console, management console, is this would be completely changing every few months. They always change stuff over here, so this might not be the same screen that you see when you sign in like few months from now. But this is where you can see like the basic features that AWS wants you to know, so we can learn to build all these things. And there are services where all the services are like categorized according to their according to what purpose they have. So there are management tools, mobile services, AR, machine learning. So these are all the services that you can access, and with a free account you can access any one of these. You just need to read the documentation and make sure you are selecting the free one. If you select something that is not free, you're going to get charged. So it's always a good practice to select the free one. And I can show you, let me not make this video any longer. In the next video, we are going to talk about web servers, and then we are going to create a virtual machine in EC2, which is Elastic Compute 2. So in EC2 there are, you also have to register. So let me go to my Gmail and let me put my email address, password, and click on the link over here. And this should be verified now, or I will have to sign in again. So once you're signed in, go to EC2. It will take 24 hours, but it doesn't actually take 24 hours. You should be good in like 10-15 minutes. So I would give it 10-15 minutes and then try again. But that's it for this video. I hope you have created your AWS account. Don't be afraid of putting your credit card. They are not going to charge you if you use the free services. I have used it a lot of times. I have been using it since 2015, but it's super cheap. Don't be afraid of putting your credit card. Sign up, and in the next video let's talk about web servers.